How to check if iPhone is original or refurbished. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So have you bought a used iPhone and not sure if it's original or refurbished? Then I'll show you how to check it in few seconds. First things first, head over to settings and then you need to go to general. Then you need to go to about. Now you'll need to look at the model number. So the first letter tells you the status. So if the model number starts with M, then that means it is brand new iPhone. If it starts with F, then it is refurbished by Apple. If there is N, then it is a replacement device. And P means personalized or engraved iPhone. So that's how you check if your iPhone is original or refurbished. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.